Hello YouTube, it's Eni aka the Noct Trader aka the Nocturnal Trader. It's 9:30 on the 29th of May 2018 and today I'm going to go through my pick of the week. So in this video I'm just going to go through the 5 stocks I've earmarked as potential picks of the week, which one I've chosen and why I've chosen it. So in this video, as you can see in this spreadsheet that I've created, I've got 5 stocks that I've picked. Now with these 5 stocks I've picked, I've got specific criteria that I look for as to determining which one I want to be my pick of the week. So, I've got the dates. So that was yesterday. This is yesterday when I decided to choose these different stocks. I put the ticker symbol, the name, the action, whether I'm going to buy or short. Because as you know, I spread bet. I predominantly swing trade on 4-hour or daily time intervals. And I spread bet, which gives me the option of shorting or buying stocks for profit. Now, the reason I like to choose upward trending patterns that make high highs. So, with that being said, the reason why the pick of the week that I chose was AMAT. I've chose this because I have a 90% confidence in the fact that the pattern I've picked is going to be one that's going to go the way I want. So this is probably the most important criteria that I pick, and it's more so just how I feel about the pattern and how confident I am in the fact that it's going to go up. So I've got 90% confidence in this particular pattern, and I'll show you why in a second. So that decision I made that I was going to enter at 5150, but I didn't set an order limit, so I did it manually. And I ended up entering a little bit higher than I would like. I prefer to, but and this is another really important criteria, which is risk to reward ratio. So right now, 0.77 means that for every £1 I risk, there's about 70p I have a potential of making. So that means that I could have the potential to lose more if the trade goes against me and it hits my stop loss than I am to gain. But because I've got a 90% confidence in it, this is the trade I'm going to pick. So I've already entered this trade, as I made the trade today during market open at 2:30 or during market open. So let me go into my Instagram now actually. So my Instagram, if you like to follow me on Instagram, it's the Noct Trader, the Nocturnal Trader, and every week I pick a pick of the week. So last week was URE. As you can see, I gave the reasons behind why I picked that trade. It's an upward trending pattern as well. It hit the support, and I felt that it was primed to go up. It was oversold on the RSI, which is always a good sign, and the MACD looked like it was about to upturn. So after 2 days, I showed my position, and I was up £118. And given that I put 50p per point, that means the trade was up 236 points. So I'm going to do the same for AMAT, which is my pick of the week for this week. So I kind of documented the same stuff that I put in my spreadsheet. I've documented here. So I've given where I put the support, the resistance, and where I want to enter. Now I've already entered this trade because the market was open today, and let me just show you the trade I entered. So as you can see here, straight away, I plotted some lines, and you can see that straight away that it's a descending triangle. So what does that mean? It means that it entered from the trade. The stock has been going up. It's been making highs, but it's been making lower highs. Descending triangle. But the bottom is the support has been a straight line. So personally, I believe, once it hits the support, the resistance again, it's going to break out. But we're not in the game of assuming, so rather than make assumptions, I've set my limit to 5393. Let me go to the 4-hour chart. So I've set my limit here, so pretty much where the support is. But I've entered the trade with 250p trades. The reason why I've done that is I've set one limit so that when it hits that point, it'll exit out one trade so I can get £105. But the other one, I'm going to let it run to see if it does break out. If it starts to rebound back, I'll close out my trade. But if it breaks out, then I can just leave it to run. So this is like a strategy I like to employ where I can split out my trades. So if I feel that a stock has potential to carry on rallying, then I've got the option of still cashing out some of my profits while giving myself the opportunity to make even more profit. So, in closing, AMAT is my pick of the week. Follow me on Instagram. I've got Facebook, I've got Twitter, but right now my Instagram is where I'm the most active. So follow my Instagram, The Knock Trader, and see you for the next video. Bye.